This video, I'm going to highlight one part of your stroke that you can help work on and correct to help you move forward in your breaststroke glide. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Bites channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video for your breaststroke technique is on how to improve your glide if you feel like you're struggling not being able to move forward. Now, before I get started, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to show your support by hitting the red subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new and exciting content weekly.
Okay, swimmers, so if you're watching this video and you're struggling with the breaststroke glide, here's one key point to help improve it. First, I will demonstrate a very common habit, and I will then correct that point within my breaststroke form. Once you see the comparison of both, then I will take that focus point and work on different ranges of tempo within my breaststroke technique, so you can see that point executed at a slower tempo versus a faster tempo. One point, if done incorrectly, will dramatically drop your body line, and that has everything to do with neck tension and your head position looking forward, as you see here. Then, after a few strokes, I correct it by dropping my head down and relaxing my neck, focusing on dropping my forehead down, facing the bottom of the pool. And you can clearly see here by looking forward and adding tension in my neck that I increase my resistance versus dropping my head position, and allows my glide to show up, and my body line ends up being higher on the surface of the water, and I'm able to move freely. So the key in order to help you move forward can simply just be from relaxing your neck and dropping your head position when breathing. So as long as you keep your breath low and relaxed, it will help improve your breaststroke glide. So here I'm focusing on keeping my head low throughout at an easy pace. And you can see here this nice smooth glide, keeping my head low when breathing and dropping my head position once I finish the breath. So here I gradually go from a slower tempo into a quicker tempo, still focusing on the same point, which is dropping my head position. So you see here, quickening up my tempo, I'm still able to fluidly move forward without my body line sinking. And lastly, here's at a quicker tempo throughout, again, keeping my head low and my neck relaxed. This is a manageable focus point, whether you're moving at an easy pace or a fast pace.
All right, swimmers, I want to finish with this video with a final note. If you are interested in improving your overall swim training, your freestyle technique, your breathing, treading water, turns, backstroke, and more, hit the pinned comments below or go to swimbites.com to access the Swim Bites program today. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.